Hi folks, Wajid here with Wajid Speaks, and I'm here with Richard Medway talking about pendulum and pendulum dowsing. Richard, what exactly is a pendulum and what's...
This is a pendulum we have here. It's made of beechwood. This is very important. This is pure silk that it's hanging from. What this does is it transfers your own psychic energy down and manifests what particular condition it's in.
Somebody told me this is a radionic device. What do you mean? What does it mean by that?
Yeah, the term radionics means that it's manipulating psychic energy or spiritual energy.
Give me some examples of what the pendulum can do to benefit you as a person.
What it can do is you can use it for checking your food, see whether the food's good, see whether that fish has gotten off finally.
What about like vitamins?
Vitamins, you can test whether vitamins are good, whether they're artificial, whether they're
Okay, what
natural.
kind of test do you do with the pendulum?
Well, you'd actually do an A-B test where you'd have a choice between an organic vitamin C and an artificial one. You'd hold the pendulum over it and it will give you a response for which is better for you.
So how does the response work?
Well, the pendulum swings either in a clockwise or an anti-clockwise movement. I'll fake this there, so it would be like that.
So clockwise is yes and anti-clockwise is no?
It can be different for other people, but each one of us is different.
Why is it different for other people?
Maybe women have a different result. Your polarity may be different. It's just a personal thing, but you find that out at the beginning by asking it your name. So I say, is my name Richard? And
it's moving in a clockwise direction.
So for me, that means that clockwise is yes.
Well, I'll ask it if your name is Wajid.
Is my name Wajid?
And we can see it's going in an anti-clockwise direction. Okay.
So it knows. Basically, you have inside you an unconscious mind, which is extremely powerful, knows much more than we do consciously. It's the unconscious that records all the paving stones you walk on every day.
Pendulum is a device that tunes into the subconscious mind.
Yeah, subconscious mind, and taps into the knowledge it has, and it knows a lot more about how your body works than we do consciously.
You're going to give us a quick demonstration. We have plain raw sugar here, and we got artificial sweetener. And so what are you going to do here?
What we'll do is we'll hold the pendulum over it, and then we'll see what reaction we get from the real sugar and then the artificial sugar. What we do is we hold the pendulum over the raw sugar, which is organic, and ask, is it good for us?
And it seems to be moving in a clockwise direction, which means yes. Okay.
Yes. Now we hold it over the artificial sweetener, and it's not really sure. There it goes. Now I'm holding my hand as still as I can, so this is produced by the energy, not my hand moving.
And it's moving in an anti-clockwise direction, which is showing that raw sugar is better than artificial sweetener.
Wow.
There you go. Will the pendulum help me win the lottery?
We could try, but I don't think it will, because your unconscious doesn't know what the winning numbers are for the lottery.
Okay, so it's more geared towards personal health and vitality. Can you ask the pendulum personal questions?
You can, and you can sometimes get very good results. It depends on what sort of questions you ask. And we have to be very careful to not let our lives be ruled by it. You could use the pendulum to decide which side of the street you'll walk on, or so you'll be safer from an accident or something, but you've still got to use common sense.
So the thing is not to be a slave to the pendulum, but just use it for your intuition.
There you go.
All right, so thank you, Richard, for this excellent demonstration of the radionic device known as the pendulum. Wajid here, signing out for Wajid Speaks. See you next time.